So how do we find the equation of tangent and normal to the circle? So for this one, I'm focusing for when point P, which is x1 and y1, lies on our circle. Okay, so how do we calculate the equation of tangent and the equation of normal when point P lies on our circle? So the thing is, we're going to use the formula. So x1 plus y1 plus g x plus x1 plus f y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. So we're going to substitute the value for x1 over here with the x coordinate of P, and then the y1 here and here we're going to substitute with point P, the y coordinate of point P. Meanwhile, G, F and C from the equation of the circle. So the equation of circle is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So we are going to take out what is the value of G, F and C. So we are going to use them here. So this is G, F and C. So after we substitute into this one, we're gonna have ax plus by plus c equal to 0. And then we're gonna simply make our y as the subject so that we can get what is the gradient of our tangent over here. Okay, so once you have your gradient of the tangent, then to calculate the equation of the normal, we are going to use m tangent multiply with m normal. So this is equal to -1. So the gradient for normal is -1 over m of tangent, gradient of the tangent. And once you have the gradient of the normal, we are going to substitute into y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. So since we already have the equation of the tangent, this one will be the gradient of the normal. So this is the gradient of the normal. So once you substitute the gradient of the normal, substitute what is the y coordinate of P and the x coordinate of P, substitute them in, and then we are going to get the equation of the normal. So let us look at one example for this. So find the equation of tangent and normal to the circle x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 6y plus 8 equal to 0 at point A15. So what do we know is that we have the equation of the circle x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 6y plus 8 equal to 0. So we are going to compare them with the general equation x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. And when you compare them, you should be able to see that 2g is equal to -4. Therefore, g is simply equal to -2. Meanwhile, 2f is equal to -6. Therefore, f must be -3. Compare for the c, c is directly equal to 8. So now, in order to get the equation of the tangent, so this is equation of tangent. Okay, so since point 15 is exactly on this circle, we can actually use the formula for x1 plus y1 plus g x plus x1 plus f y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. Okay, so how do we know whether this point lies on the circle or not? You can actually substitute them into the equation of circle. So we are going to have 1 square plus 5 square minus 4 times 1, and then minus with 6 times 5 plus with 8. So if we do get 0, that means the point must lie on our circle. So this is 1 plus 25, so 26 minus 4 minus 30, and then plus with 8. So this 26 plus 8, this is 34 minus 34, so this is exactly equal to 0. So that is how I know that point 15 is exactly on our circle. Okay, so let us substitute. So x will remain as x. x1 is the x coordinate of A, which is 1, plus y. The y coordinate of A is 5. And then plus with g, so g is -2, x plus 1, -3, y plus 5. Then plus with 8 equal to 0. And then we can actually simplify them a little bit. So x plus 5y minus 2x minus 2 minus 3y minus 15 plus with 8 equal to 0. Simplify them a little bit, so we got x minus with 2x, so this is negative x. 5y minus 3y, so this is positive 2y. Negative 2, so negative 17, and then plus with 8, so this is negative 9 equal to 0. So this is our equation of tangent, or if you want to, you can actually times everything with negative 1 as well. Okay, so now I want to calculate what is the equation of the normal. So I need to know what is the gradient over here. So let us make the y as the subject. So 2y is equal to 9 plus x. Therefore, y is simply equal to x over 2 plus with 9 over 2. So what do I know is that the gradient of the tangent, so m of tangent, is actually equal to half. So we know that m normal, m of tangent is equal to negative 1. Therefore, the gradient of the normal will be negative 1 divided by half. So this is simply equal to negative 2. So the equation of normal, so we are going to use the formula y minus y1 equal to m of normal x minus x1. So this is y minus y1 is 5 equal to gradient of the normal. We already have them before this, so negative 2, and then x minus 1. Okay, so this is y minus 5 equal to negative 2x plus with 2. So bring everything to the left hand side, we are going to get y plus with 2x, negative 5, negative 2, so negative 7 equal to 0, and that is the equation of the normal. Okay, so see you in the next part.